Good morning, students. Welcome to physics class. So today we want to look at energy consumption or cost of electricity. We all pay for any energy or electricity used at home. So there is need for we students and all of us to know how to calculate our energy consumption. So last class we looked at this formula E equals P times T, where E stands for electrical energy and P stands for power, and we know P is I, where I stands for electric current and V stands for potential difference or voltage, and T stands for time. So let me call this equation 1. So therefore I can modify the equation 1 into this, since I know that my P is equals to IV. So E equals to PT, equation 1. E equals to IVT, equation 2. So with this equation 1 and 2, we can calculate energy consumption or cost of electricity. Now let's take example 1. Okay, let's take this example. A household refrigerator is rated 200 watts. If the electricity costs 5 kobo per kilowatt hour, what is the cost of operating it for 20 days? If you remember, I gave you a formula that E equals to P times T. And we know that the SI unit for power is watts. And the SI unit for time is second. So we have higher unit for power, which is kilowatts. And we should remember that 1000 watts equals to 1 kilowatt. And we have higher unit for time, like minutes, hours. So we are going to work with hours. So the higher unit of time is hours. Now, PACN or energy consumption in Nigeria is calculated in kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. Meaning that your power must be in kilowatts and your time must be in hours. Good. Meaning that a unit of electricity, 1 unit of electricity is 1 kilowatt hour. 1 unit of electricity is 1 kilowatt hour. So PACN calculates energy consumption or unit in kilowatt hour. So we must ensure that our P must be in kilowatts, and we must ensure that our time must be in hour. Okay, let's solve the example 1. Let's bring out what we have. We have power P to be 200 watts. Remember, it was converted to kilowatt hour. And how will you do that? You will divide it by 1000. We have the cost to be 5 kobo per kilowatt hour. We have the time, which is 20 days. and this time you must convert it to hours. So 20 days to hours is 20. How many hours make a day? 24 hours make one day. So times 24. So if you take your calculator, 20 times 24 will give us 480 hours. Then for the power, 200 divided by 1000 will give us 0.2 kilowatts. So we come back to our formula. E equals to P times T. Our P is 0.2 and our time is 480. If you multiply 0.2 times 480, you have 96 kilowatt hour. 96 kilowatt hour. And we should not forget that cost of electricity per kilowatt hour is 5 kobo. So therefore we say cost equals to 96 times 5 kobo. 96 times 5 will give us 480 kobo. So we can convert it to hours. That will be 480 divided by 100. To convert it to naira rather. So 480 divided by 100 will give us 4 naira 80 kobo. 4 naira 80 kobo. Once again, the cost will be 96 kilowatt hour times 5 kobo. That will give us 480 kobo. And we are to convert to naira if we like. So that will be 480 divided by 100, and that will give us 4 naira 80 kobo. Let's take example 2. Okay, let's take this. What is the cost of running 5 50 watts lamps and 400 watt lamps for 10 hours if electrical energy costs $2 per kilowatt? So to do that solution, we apply the same formula. E equals to P times T. What is our P? For P, which is our power, we have 5 50 watt lamps. So that will be 5 lamps of 50 watts and 400 watts plus 4 of 100 watts. That is our P. Then our T, 10 hours. So it's already in hours. And this must be in kilowatts. So our T is 10 hours. So let's calculate this. We have 50 times 5, which is 250, plus 4 times 10, 4 times 100, which is 400. So if you add 250 plus 400, you have 650 watts. So our P is 650 watts, and your P must be in kilowatts. So that will be 650 divided